our wives. So now, if they know what's in our hearts, if we can hear everything, if we can listen to anything, if we can see anything, subhanallah. So there is a wisdom that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is hiding this, as it came in the sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that the man in his way to the funeral after his death, he will scream. And he would, if he's not a good person, Ya waylaha ayna tadhabuna biha? Where are you going? Why are you taking me to this place? Where are you taking me? He's screaming. The sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ said that every creature listen to him except humans. Because if they listen to this scream that comes out from the bottom of his heart, they will be shocked, they will be die. If people see what happens to the person on the deathbed, no one will die on his bed. People will die in the desert because of the pain and because of what happens to people. So sometimes the wisdom is not to know. The wisdom is to be ignorant. This makes our life easy. This will make us love the deen. But if we go in the depth, it's not going to work out. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تسألوا عن أشياء إن تبد لكم تسؤكم. O you who believe, do not ask about these things that if it becomes clearer to you, it will not be good for you. It will harm you. One of the Sahaba was the Prophet Muhammad, and he knew that the Prophet sometimes Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explore for him the ghaib. He says, "O Messenger of Allah, do you know who's my father?" But if the Prophet Muhammad told you that your father is not your father that you are attributed to him, what's going to happen to you in front of everyone? We shouldn't ask about this. ما غاب عنك لا تسأل عنه. Some of the brothers, they go to the halal store. Show me the certificate, brother. Use your hand cut or machines. No, tell me. Swear on that.
Show me the box.
Yeah. Show me the box. Ya akhi, this is not. Sometimes it happens like this. Do we still have time?
5 minutes.
طيب, alhamdulillah. عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Because people come late, we're going to start over. We're going to punish the people. I started with 10 people, now the masjid is full. خلاص, this is now, I'm going to start over, brothers. Let us go to the third reason. Let us repeat them, inshallah. What makes Islam, so the conclusion, Islam is easy to practice. What makes Islam is hard to practice is, number one, the lack of piety and the misunderstanding for the word Islam, what covers every tiny thing in our life, and to increase our love to Allah that will make us practice Islam and the worship with love. Number two, focusing on these symbolic explanations for things that will not increase or decrease our iman, and leave the halal and haram, and we do not focus on the halal and haram, which forms our relation with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And number three, which we will end with, is the inappropriate, and let us use another word, the improper environment. The improper environment. Believe it or not, I know some of you will disagree with me. When we send our kids to the public school, we are throwing them in fire. We want to make sure that our kids are practicing the deen. We want to make sure that our kids are not all